Let's get this started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What we got here today? Galaxy Buds Live. They kind of look like two kidneys or some beans. I hope they're not this big. Good decent size so it can fit in the ear. Ergonomic fit. 6 to 21 hours playtime. What does that mean? So we got 6 to 21 hours of playtime. Triple mic for clear call. Active noise cancellation. I'm really interested in this. So if you have, most likely, if you have active noise canceling, it will probably work 6 hours. But if you don't, it'll work 21 hours. That's what I'm guessing. I don't know. We have to try it out. This is what we're opening today. Let's get started. This looks like a good competition for the AirPods. We'll try them out. This is something that I wanted to try out for a very long time. Now look, I am a big fan of Apple. Everything that I have is Apple. My iPhone, my AirPods, my Apple Watch. I had Apple for a while now. This is the first time I'm gonna be trying out something that is not Apple. Samsung, you better have something good. Alright, let's open this thing up. Yeah. Safety first. Put the knife away. Ooh, okay. Inside of this box, you have your, what is this? Quick start guide. Okay. Oh, this is hard to open. Oh, okay. Alright, let's put this aside. Let's see what else is in here. And of course, oh, you have your little, what are these? Extra earbuds. Left and right one, yep, cool. We gotta try those out. USB-C to USB. There's no actual brick in here. What's in here? Alright, let's look at the, ooh, okay, it just turned right on. You can see that green light right there. You have the left and the right one. Alright, it's pretty small. I wasn't expecting this to be this small. You have your USB-C in the back. This looks really good. I'm actually impressed. This means we gotta charge it up. How do we connect this? I have to connect this to my iPhone, but there's an app in here. So let me go and download my app on my iPhone. So before we get into that, so this comes in 3 different colors. This is called the Mystic Black. You have Mystic Bronze and Mystic White. This is $169.99 for this right here. Way cheaper than this right here. We gotta put this on in our ears and let's see how good this is. Let's put them on and see how they look like. This is the right one. Okay. Let's open the app up. Get started. Would you like notification? Allow. Galaxy Bud Live. I'm gonna put the left one on. Alright. It says congrats on your new Galaxy Bud Live. How to wear your earbuds. Make sure you put the left and the right earbud in the correct ear. Okay, so this is, let's make sure, yep, this is the right one. Okay, you're all set. That's it. Connect your Galaxy Buds. Confirm. Alright, this is the app for it. Saying right here that it's 54% active noise canceling. You can do your equalizer here. I can switch these up. We got boost, bass boost, normal, soft, dynamic, clear, controls. So let's go into controls. You have touch control. So if you tap, play or pause track. Ooh, okay. Double tap, play next track, answer or end call. Triple tap, play previous track. Touch and hold, user choose. Change in setting, decline call. So you can choose touch and hold, you can choose that. You can actually change all of these if you want to, and you can also block your touches. This can prevent a feeling of stuffiness or compression when you're not using active noise cancelling. Wow, okay. So the ambient sound, it relieves pressure with the ambient sound. Nice. Find my earbuds. So I guess you can, if you lose them, you can find your earbuds by going over here. Find my earbuds. What else we got? We got general settings. You can restart all your settings or read your user manual through here. Earbuds update. We just update today. And then tips, using your user manual. So this tells you a bunch of tips so you can how to wear your earbuds, touch control. You have case battery level in front. So this right here tells you the level of your battery. Red means is 30%. Yellow means that's between 30 to 60%. And then green obviously means that it's in good level. Let's download this software, update. While that is updating, we're gonna check this out. Compare this to what I'm using right now. The AirPod Pros, what I like about these is that they're all the way inside. The AirPods, let's put this in here. So see how it's sticking out? If I put my helmet or if I'm taking my helmet off, they come off. So that's why I'm gonna try this out. This is how tiny they are compared to the AirPod. Look like small kidneys, chicken kidneys or something like that, you know? So you take this one out and you put this one in there. If you got big giant ears like me, it's actually a pretty good fit. I put one of these big pieces, as you can see right here, and the left one has the regular earpiece that comes with it, extra earbud piece. You put this big one on. So I'm gonna try both of them on. The left one is different than the right one, as you can see right there. If you got weird ears like I do, okay, definitely the right one fits much better than the left one. Alright, let's put active noise cancelling on. Okay, I'm just turning it on and off to see what I can hear and what I can't hear. Alright, let's put something on. Actually, let me put on the active noise cancelling. Okay. I mean, Wu-Tang sounds good on everything. I feel like this gives you a little bit more of active noise cancelling than this. So I'm gonna change this one out and see how that works. So you gotta hit it pretty good for it to stop. Sometimes actually you just touch it and it works. So right now I just tapped it lightly and it pauses the music. And if I want to double tap, it changes the song. So triple tap, it goes backtrack. Alright, this works good. Yep. I mean, I can still hear things around me. It's not like the AirPod Pros. Noise cancellation on this is not as great as this one because, you know, this completely seals your ear inside. I mean, it's pretty good. I'm not gonna say it's not that great. And I would compare this to the regular AirPods, but I wouldn't compare them to the AirPod Pro. I should give this a One Tech Tree score. I would give this a 6 or a 6.5 on my score. There's nothing like the AirPod Pros. Compare them to the AirPods, regular AirPods. I would actually consider this. It does have active noise cancellation, so that's something good to think about. Alright guys, that will do it for the Samsung Galaxy Bud Live. And if you guys want to see more videos, Make sure you like and subscribe. This is my first video, so give me a like and subscribe, and I'll put more stuff out there for you guys. Peace.